Grid is a credit-building app that reports certain financial activity to help users build credit without using a traditional credit card. That means it focuses on structured payments and account behavior instead of revolving credit. By the end, you'll know how Grid actually builds credit, what features it uses to do that, and whether it is worth using compared to other credit-building apps. Grid is built around credit reporting systems. It is not a standard credit card or traditional loan product. Instead, it uses account-linked activity to help generate credit-building behavior that can be reported to credit bureaus depending on the product setup. Now explain how it works. Users typically connect a bank account or use the APS financial tools to create track payment behavior. The system then uses that activity as part of its credit-building structure. Now explain what Credit Builder actually means here. A Credit Builder app does not give you instant credit score increases. It creates a record of financial activity over time that may be reported and used to establish credit history. Now talk about how payments and activity work. Instead of spending on a credit line, users interact with structured payments or tracked financial actions inside the app. Those actions are designed to create consistent payment history. Now talk about reporting. Credit building depends on whether your activity is reported to credit bureaus. Not all actions inside financial apps automatically impact your credit score. Reporting is the key factor. Now, talk about speed and results. Credit building is not immediate. It typically depends on consistent activity over time, and whether reporting conditions are met through the app structure. Now, talk about limitations. Grid is not a replacement for a traditional credit card or full credit line. It is designed for users who want to start building credit history through structured financial behavior. Now, the key trade-off. Credit builder apps like Grid focus on accessibility and structured entry into credit systems, but they do not offer the same flexibility as traditional credit products. So the decision depends on your goal. If you are starting from little or no credit history, Grid can help you begin building activity that may be reported. If you already have strong credit or need flexible spending power, it may not add much value. Here's the simple breakdown. Grid is a credit-building tool that uses structured financial activity instead of traditional credit lines. Its usefulness depends on whether you need to build credit history from the ground up. Do this next. Check whether you already have credit accounts reporting to the bureaus. Then, compare whether a structured credit builder app would actually add new reporting activity for you. If you are starting credit from scratch, Grid can help create structure. If you already have established credit, its impact may be limited.